Greetings, I am Dana Bailey, a social work and public administration scholar here at City University at New Orleans, and currently I hold a couple positions such as the SGA Chief Justice, the Managing News Editor with the Student Observer, the Thurgood Marshall College Fund Yard Ambassador and Influencer, the President of the Night Ambassadors, and the Students of Social Work, just to name a few. To me, the most impactful thing was the lesson. Seeing that I am a student leader, I try to, get meaningful information that I can utilize into my leadership roles. So for me personally, it was the lesson on how to stay motivated and how to push yourself to do better on your campus was the biggest and best lesson I learned today. A new skill that I learned today was to not include everyone in your circle. So I know that may sound like it's not a skill, but saying no really is a skill. So for me, it was to be cool to everyone, I guess you could say, but do not have everyone in your circle, because your circle should not be as big as a circle. It should be kind of small, if you know what I mean. So I would use what I learned today to improve my leadership skills, such as Mr. Frederick J. Johnson IV mentioned about great leaders develop better leaders. So I'm going to use that mantra, if I must say, to develop new leaders. So when I do graduate, there's a slew of leaders behind me who can take on the role and make an even more impactful presence here at State University at New Orleans. I feel like everyone needs to bring Mr. Fred Johnson IV in to speak, because today, not only did I learn something, I know my parents learned something. So if we can learn something here at State University at New Orleans, I know campuses all over can. The message was great, the delivery was great, and the interaction was amazing. So yes, I feel like more students, or more organizations, campuses, should bring him in.